How to fix webcam not working on Windows. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. If you are having that kind of issue on your desktop, you may follow this method in order to fix it. The thing you can do is just go ahead and open up your settings. For that, hit Windows plus I and open up your settings. And once you open up your settings, you may go over and look out for the privacy option from your screen. Scroll down and look for privacy. Just go ahead and open up your privacy. And once you open up privacy, you may scroll down from here as well and head over to camera, open it up. And once you open it up, the thing is you just need to go ahead and give access for each and every application from your device. For example, camera, feedback, health, or any even system settings available in your device. And just go ahead and give access of camera to every, and that's it. Once that is done, that should probably fix your issue for now. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And then we will see you in another video.